Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer USDT from MEXC to Binance. For that, first of all, you will have to simply come on MEXC. Now, if you don't have an account on MEXC, I will put the link of it down in the description. And currently, a unique bonus offer is going on in which you can earn up to 8,000 USDT if you use my link in order to create your account here. So make sure you just take the benefit of this offer. Now once you are in your MEXC account, if you already have an account, you need to simply log in into it, then tap on the wallet option in the bottom right hand corner. Over here you will see the withdraw option, so tap on withdraw. Here in the search bar you need to search for USDT. Now select the option of on-chain withdrawal and then you will see this type of page in front of you. Now over here you need to provide the withdrawal address, and in order to get that you need to launch your Binance mobile application, and over here you need to tap on the add funds option in the top right hand corner of the screen. Then select the option of deposit crypto. Over here you need to select USDT and then select the network as BEP20. Now once you do that, you will see your QR code as well as the deposit address. So you need to copy that from here, then go back to your MEXC account and paste that address in this section. Then in the network you need to select the same network that you have selected in your Binance account, which in my case is the BEP20. Then in the withdrawal quantity, you need to enter the amount of quantity of USDT that you want to withdraw. If you want any withdrawal remark, you can add that as well. This way you will remember why you are making this transaction. Then tap on the confirm option in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. On the next page, you need to simply review all of your details. So make sure that your address and the network is correct. Once you have reviewed everything and everything is correct, you need to simply confirm that transaction, and once your transaction is completed successfully, you are going to receive your USDT from MEXC to your Binance account within just 5 minutes. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, do let me know in the comment section below and I'm here to help you out with that. Thanks for watching.